Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adam Dixon, and today we're going to be discussing backpropagation. Enjoy some woodworking in the background, like usual. Neural networks are at the core of modern AI, and they learn using an algorithm called backpropagation. But what does that actually mean? In this video, I'll break it down intuitively, without diving into heavy math, so you can understand how neural networks adjust themselves to make better predictions. Let's give it a try. But first, a quick recap. A neural network takes an input, like an image of a handwritten digit, processes it through layers of neurons, and produces an output, which in this case is a guess about what digit it sees. We want to adjust the network's weights and biases to make better predictions, and we do this by minimizing something called cost function, basically a measure of how wrong our network is. Backpropagation is how we calculate the exact change needed to reduce the cost. The idea is simple. We compare the network's output to the correct answer, calculate the error, and then figure out how much weight and bias contributed to that error. The key insight in that some connections influence the output more than others. If one weight is 32 times more impactful than the other, it should be adjusted accordingly. Let's see it break down with an example. Suppose we're training a neural network, the number 2, but right now the output is just all over the place. We need to tweak the network so that it confidently says 2. Here's 3 ways to do it. Adjust the bias, changing the weights, or influencing earlier activation so they contribute more to the right answer. Each training example pushes the network in different ways, and backpropagation ensures all these influences are combined properly. Backpropagation works by passing the error backwards through the network. The neurons in the last layer tell the previous layer how they should change, and those neurons tell one of them, and so on, and so on. Like ripples in a pond, this way, every weight and bias in the network learns how to adjust itself to minimize the overall cost. Instead of adjusting based on every single training example, because that would take way too long and be way too slow, we use a trick called stochastic gradient descent. We break training data into small batches and adjust based on those. It's like a hiker taking a quick step down a hill, and instead of carefully calculating each step, the result, faster learning, and still a great model. So, to sum it up, backpropagation is the algorithm that tells a neural network how to learn by calculating the impact of each weight and bias and adjusting them effectively and adjusting them efficiently. It does this layer by layer, moving backward, using gradient descent to optimize performance, and by using mini batches, we make training much faster. If this helped clarify backpropagation, make sure to hit the like button, follow and subscribe, and check out my other stuff. Thanks for watching.